Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you some interesting hidden settings to fix phone sound battery hanging issue which is located into the accessibility menu. So not wasting your much time, if you are new to the channel and if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the setting and from here go to the accessibility, and in accessibility one option is advanced settings. Then in advanced settings go to the flash notifications, and in flash notifications camera flash notifications and screen flash notifications, this is turned on. If you want to improve your battery, then just turn it off. Means when any message or any app is selected, anything comes from that app, the camera will flash, the flash signal will blink, and otherwise the screen will flash. So just turn it off to improve for battery. Then go back, and the second setting I wanted to tell you, go to the accessibility back and then interaction and dexterity, and here you will find go below ignore repeated touch. Means this will set a time within which if repeated touches are there, that will be ignored. So this turn it off and set the time. So this will also save your considerable amount of battery. Then go back and go to the visibility enhancement, and here what is remove animations, means this should be turned off. This will save considerable amount of battery. Prevent some screen effects, useful if you are sensitive to animation or screen. If you are interested in animation, then you can keep it, but this will consume a considerable amount of battery, so turn it on. So now go back and then go to the media, then go hearing enhancement, and here you will see that adopt sound. From here, if you are less hearing or less amount of sound, then you can select depending upon your age. Under 30 years old, it will boost high frequencies, you can see here. Then 30 to 60, both high and mid frequencies will be boosted, and over 60 boost all frequencies. Means clearly rating your ears are unique. You may be more sensitive or less sensitive to certain frequencies of sound compared to the other people. So according to your age or your condition of your ear, you can select. And if you wanting no boost, then select off. So from here you can fix if there is any issue with the volume, with the sound of the media or phone. So this is what I wanted to tell you. With these settings, you can increase the battery backup, fix your hanging issues. If you are hearing low amount of sound, then you can fix your phone sound also. Removing animation can improve your hanging problem also. So this is all about what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel.